Hey ladies and gentlemen, my name is Alex Rowe and I'm coming back to you with a new design. Y'all see me on other commercials promoting OxiClean, but I got a new one for you from Olympus Digital Cameras. Check it out. The Olympus Camera Titan Edition. Look at this slick metal body. I'm sure you can take pictures anytime. 8 megapixels. Your pictures gonna be looking nice and sharp. And a half-second shutter speed, you don't have to worry about those little in-between takes on your pictures. But you know what? I think I should pause and let somebody tell you, people you see around the neighborhood, pop my camera, the Olympus Titan Edition.
I love this camera. It's the Olympus Titan Edition. I think it's the Spring Edition. Love it. It's just I take all the pictures I want. Everything. The pictures are so clear. They're wonderful. I don't know what I would do without this camera. Thank you, Olympus. Thank you.
Wow, you guys, you heard that from Erica Scott. This camera is off the chain. The large LCD, well, she's taking pictures all the time. You know, now I think we should go around, ambush a few people and see what they think about my camera. Yeah, I know they have been using it. So, you heard about the make, because later on, I'm going to shoot the president. To tell you right now, I got a couple people I just met that never seen this. How y'all doing? Hi. You know Olympus Digital Cameras. What y'all think about this camera?
I don't know, man. I've never seen this before.
Never seen it? Hey guys, let me show you. So, 2.5 LCD, the 8 megapixels, the half-speed shutter speed. This resolution on this camera, y'all won't have to worry about any blackouts in your pictures or anything that can produce.
Really?
Yeah.
You're lying, man.
No, I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
Let me borrow this for a picture, okay?
Go ahead, take a picture.
You gotta show me how to do this, though. I don't know how to take pictures. I would love to learn how to do this, but I don't.
Let me get you. Let me take a picture. Y'all staying out, take a picture. You're ready?
Yes, I am.
See, now look at this. Look at this picture. Allie, you look just like me. I gotta say, that Olympus Titan Edition is off the chain, but I'm about to show you another customer. So I'm gonna get to the next bit.
So, come springtime, my parents tell me I'm going to the Philippines for the summer, and I don't have a camera. I'm going to be there for a month, so of course I'm going to want to record what's going on. I saw a commercial for the Olympus Titan Edition Spring, and that was perfect because it was on sale. Right before summer vacations, just came right on time. I needed something with good resolution and video because I wanted to take videos of my family that I haven't seen in years. So I bought the camera, I went to the Philippines, came back with like thousands of pictures because it's compatible with memory. And they turned out perfect. I saw scenery and my family, which will last a really long time. Thank you, Olympus.
How you guys doing? We're about to ambush another group of people. This time we got the geeks from PGCC College. Let's go there and ask them a few questions. Hi everybody, how y'all doing? My name is Alex. I'm promoting for the Olympus Titan Edition Digital Cameras. Y'all heard of it? No.
I think I have. What is that?
I think I have. Seen this? It's a nice slim silver metal camera with a 2.5 LCD screen, 8 megapixels, and half-speed shutter speed. Gives you great resolutions. You don't have to worry about those annoying blurs no more, or anything.
How do you take a picture on this thing?
Just press the button. There you go. Click on this and press the button.
Okay. Yeah.
I think you're on the wrong one.
I think it's in the menu. Okay, I got it. There you go. Oh snap! It's nice.
Oh wait.
Yes, y'all heard it from here. The new Olympus Titan Edition is the way it is. Hi you guys, it's Alex again. Y'all heard from some satisfied customers and some ambush people. Y'all can see that the Olympus Titan Edition is a must-have camera. You know what? I'm gonna take y'all on a little visit and go see the CEO of Olympus Digital Cameras, Jaleesa. She's gonna tell you all about the new features that are coming out this next season. Go ahead, Jaleesa.
Hi, I'm Jaleesa Dixon, CEO of Olympus Cameras. I just want to tell you guys a few things about our products. First, we came out with our Spring Fall Edition with our silver model. We also have upcoming our Summer Pinky, our Winter Cool Blue, and our Fall Ruby Red. Be sure to get yours this season coming out. Just a couple of our new features that we have coming out with our cameras. 1/2 second shutter speed, megapixels of 8, internal memory up to 48 shots, as well as 3,200 ISO, as well as 200 shots battery life. So be sure to get your camera, take it everywhere. Get your Olympic today.
Hey guys, you heard it from Jaleesa. This new camera, it's off the chain. Not even the gods can handle this camera. The Titan Edition. Y'all should get it. You heard it from me, Alex. See me. Catch y'all later.